Today we take you on a flight with the Avata around the Ratchaburi Grand Canyon. The vacated mine is listed as a tourist attraction in Ratchaburi Province. Here you can make up your mind if you think it is worth a visit. We found that many people love to use it as an unusual background in their photo shoots. As it was a very hot day, I just made a short flight and did not walk into the mine. Welcome to Fly with Odin.
If you are new to the channel, subscribe to stay in touch and turn on notification.
To subscribe is free, but you will be able to find us again easy in this huge YouTube jungle.
I would love to see you like.
If you want to stay with us, click on one of these thumbnails. Thank you for watching, and not forget to click like and to subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video.